For thousands of years, before pharmacies existed, before hospitals existed, people grew their own medicine in their backyard. And the remarkable thing is, those same plants are still available today. You can grow them yourself, right at home, in a raised bed, a container, or even a windowsill. Today I am going to show you 10 plants that have been used for centuries for their powerful healing and wellness properties, and every single one of them can be grown in an American backyard garden. Some of these will surprise you. A few of them you probably already have in your kitchen, and at least one of them has been called the most powerful healing plant on the planet. Let's get into it. A quick note before we start, everything in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Always consult your doctor before using any plant for health purposes. These are traditional and historical uses, not medical advice. With that said, here are 10 remarkable plants you can grow at home. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender is one of the most well-studied plants in the world for its calming and wellness properties. For centuries, it has been used traditionally to support relaxation, reduce stress, and promote restful sleep. Growing lavender is surprisingly simple. It loves full sun, well-drained soil, and very little water once established. It is drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and one of the most beautiful plants you can add to any garden. Plant it in spring after your last frost date, and it will come back year after year. Bonus: lavender attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, which benefits every other plant in your garden. Number 2. Chamomile. If there is one plant that has stood the test of time for its calming properties, it is chamomile. Traditionally used for centuries to support relaxation and digestive comfort, chamomile tea made from the flowers of this plant is one of the most widely consumed herbal teas in the world. Chamomile is incredibly easy to grow. It grows fast from seed, tolerates poor soil, and actually prefers to be slightly neglected. Plant it in a sunny spot, water occasionally, and harvest the flowers when they are fully open. Dry them, and you have your own homegrown chamomile tea for the entire year. Number 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has been called nature's first aid kit for good reason. Traditionally used for thousands of years across cultures worldwide, the gel inside aloe vera leaves has been applied topically to support skin comfort and soothing after sun exposure. Growing aloe vera is almost effortless. It thrives in containers, needs very little water, and actually prefers to be left alone. If you are in USDA zones 9 through 11, it can grow outdoors year-round. In cooler zones, keep it in a pot on a sunny windowsill and bring it inside during winter. One plant can last decades and produce dozens of offshoots. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most researched plants in modern wellness science. Traditionally used in Ayurvedic and Asian medicine for thousands of years, turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has been studied extensively for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. You can grow turmeric in any warm American garden zone 7 and above. Plant the rhizomes in spring in rich, moist soil with partial shade. By fall, you will harvest beautiful golden roots that you can dry, powder, and add to cooking throughout the year. Fresh homegrown turmeric has significantly more potency than store-bought powder. Number 5. Peppermint. Peppermint has been used traditionally for centuries to support digestive comfort and mental clarity. The natural oils in peppermint leaves have a cooling, refreshing quality that has made it one of the most popular wellness herbs in American homes. One important thing about growing peppermint: plant it in a container. Peppermint spreads aggressively and will take over your garden if planted directly in the ground. A simple pot on your patio or deck is perfect. Give it sun, consistent moisture, and harvest regularly by pinching the top leaves. The more you harvest, the more it grows. Number 6. Echinacea. Echinacea, also known as coneflower, is one of the most popular wellness herbs in America for good reason. Traditionally used by Native Americans for centuries, Echinacea has been studied for its properties related to immune system support. Echinacea is a beautiful perennial that comes back every year. It grows in full sun, tolerates drought, attracts pollinators, and is virtually maintenance-free once established. Plant it in spring, and by midsummer, you will have stunning purple flowers that can be dried and used for herbal tea throughout the fall and winter. Number 7. Rosemary. Rosemary is far more than just a cooking herb. Traditionally used for centuries in Mediterranean cultures, rosemary has been associated with memory support, circulation, and overall cognitive wellness. Ancient scholars reportedly wore rosemary garlands while studying for its traditionally recognized properties. Rosemary is one of the easiest herbs to grow in American gardens. It loves heat, full sun, and well-drained soil. In zones 7 and above, it is an evergreen perennial, meaning you have fresh rosemary available every single day of the year. In cooler zones, grow it in a container and bring it inside for winter. One plant provides more rosemary than most families can use. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic has been called one of nature's most powerful wellness foods for thousands of years. Used medicinally across ancient Egyptian, Greek, Roman, and Chinese cultures, garlic is traditionally recognized for its antioxidant properties and its role in supporting cardiovascular and immune wellness. Growing your own garlic is one of the most rewarding things you can do in a home garden. Plant individual cloves in fall, October, or November, depending on your zone. And by the following June, you will harvest full heads of garlic. Homegrown garlic has significantly stronger flavor and wellness properties than store-bought garlic, which is often irradiated and aged during shipping. Number 9. Lemon Balm. Lemon balm is a member of the mint family and has been used traditionally for centuries to support calm, relaxation, and restful sleep. Its gentle lemon scent makes it one of the most pleasant herbs to grow and use. Like mint, lemon balm grows vigorously, so plant it in a container to keep it controlled. It grows in full sun or partial shade, needs moderate water, and can be harvested continuously throughout the growing season. Fresh lemon balm leaves make a beautiful calming tea. Simply steep a handful of fresh leaves in hot water for 5 minutes. Number 10. Ginger. Fresh ginger root has been used in traditional medicine across Asia for over 5,000 years. Traditionally recognized for supporting digestive comfort and overall wellness, ginger is one of the most widely studied plants in herbal medicine research. You can grow ginger at home easily in a container. Purchase fresh ginger root from a grocery store. Choose a piece with visible growth buds. Plant it just below the soil surface in a large pot with rich moist soil and partial shade. By fall, you will harvest fresh ginger root that is dramatically more flavorful and potent than anything available in stores. So there you have it, 10 remarkable healing plants with centuries of traditional use. Every single one of them growable in your own American backyard. Start with 3 that resonate with you. Lavender, chamomile, and peppermint are my recommendation for absolute beginners. They are easy to grow, beautiful in any garden, and incredibly rewarding to use. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before using any plant for health purposes. This video is for educational purposes only. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. Every week, I share practical guides on growing your own food and wellness plants at home. Drop a comment below telling me which plant surprised you most. I will see you in the next one.